Good days, everyone. Today we are going to present to you about engineering overview. Engineering is surely a word that most people have heard of before. In the simplest term, engineering is the art of using scientific method to solve real-world problems, build practical machine and tools, and make a world a better place. Tan Yan on his statement about engineer, I love seeing the newest idea from scientists and having a say in a technical design that matches their scientific vision. And here is what one of our engineer, Miss Izian, had to say about engineering. Engineering is about finding a solution to everyday problem. Engineers try to solve the problem in the best way in terms of efficiency, such as cost. Engineering is split into four parts. The first one is design. Design is the process of creating solutions to problems which involve creativity, analysis, and iteration. It requires a good understanding and application of science and mathematics. It involves the initiation and implementation of new ideas. Second one is project management. Project management are skills related to planning, executing, and overseeing engineering projects, including budgeting and scheduling. Cultivates our ability to work in international environments such as multiracial, multicultural setting society. Teaches us how to navigate crisis and be sensitive to the needs of other people. The third one is sustainability. Sustainability are principles aimed at reducing environmental impact and promoting efficient usage of resources in engineering practice, implementing knowledge to design technology that will benefit humanity, ensuring that the design can function holistically and symbiotically, using resources efficiently and effectively. And the last one is ethics and safety. Ethics and safety are the consideration for the moral implication of engineering decisions and ensuring the safety of products and processes, ensuring responsibility towards public safety, understanding social and environmental constraints.
Hello, my name is Beh Jien Chern, and I'm here today to present on the topic of engineering ethics. So, based on the role of engineers in sustainable development by Dr. Asad Sawar Qureshi and Tif Nawab, and the book The Good Engineer Giving Virtue is Due in Engineering Ethics by Springerling, they have introduced us to five principles engineers use that will guide them to meet their professional obligations, namely number one, which is to contribute to building a sustainable society, present and future, and number two, to apply professional and responsible judgment and take a leadership role, meaning to have the sensitivity to risk. And number three, which is to do more than just comply with legislation and codes. And number four, which is to seek multiple views to solve sustainability challenges, meaning to cooperate with other engineers to solve problems. And lastly, number five, which is to use resources efficiently and effectively, namely having the respect for nature and saving resources for future generations. So each of these principles have been oriented towards protecting the public from professional misconduct by engineers and from the harmful effects of technology. So based on the interview with Ms. Izian Fatini on engineering ethics, she has stated that honesty and integrity is key. Safety must be ensured when producing product that will be used by others, and engineers' integrity must not be compromised when providing solutions to ensure the safety of consumers. And the consequences of an engineer's integrity being compromised is the quality of work and value of what they're doing is diminished. It will prove to be a safety hazard to consumers using the product of integrity compromised engineers.
Like you mentioned, the key requirements or like ethics that one engineer need to stick to would be honesty. That ties into delivering good products that in the end will be used by others. That involves safety as well.
Hello, my name is Saeed Ali, and I will talk about the role of engineers in sustainable development. Contribute to building a sustainable society, present and future, understand relevant social and cultural structure outside their own normal community of practice, recognize the impacts of an engineering project on communities, global or local, and incorporate the view and concern of the communities. Apply professional and responsible judgment and take a leadership role. Look at the broad picture. Ensure that the offered solution take accounts of economic, social, and environmental outcomes. Ensure that the solution contribute to sustainability. Do more than just comply with legislation and codes. Seek multiple views to solve sustainability challenges. Promote the important leadership role of the engineer and find a solution to sustainability challenges for the benefit of society. Drive new legislation and code to achieve sustainability. Listen and recognize the value of the perspective of others. Use resources efficiently and effectively. Reduce waste production. Be efficient with resources. Reduce consumption of waste materials. Adapt strategies for reuse, recycling, and disposal of components and materials. Those are the comments by Ms. Priyanka. She said the solution provided by the engineers must not degrade the environment and safeguard the communities living in the environment. The role of engineers in sustainable development is important as it will impact this generation and the next in terms of health. By sustainable development, engineers are able to work towards reducing air pollution, water pollution, and more harmful effects toward the world we are living in. As an engineer, we should also provide a more well-rounded solution rather than thinking of working toward our goal without thinking of the consequences.
These are the references used to make this video. We have come to the end of this video and we are Team Advanced Build Specialists. Thanks for watching.